Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nvidia just made a huge splash in the stock market. The tech giant announced a 10-for-1 stock split. This is big news. It's not just about numbers, it's about opportunity. Imagine owning a piece of a rocket ship on its way to the moon. That's Nvidia right now. But what does this split really mean for investors, big and small? It's about making the stock more accessible. Think of it like slicing a pizza. You're not changing the size of the pizza, just making it easier to grab a slice. This move could be a game changer for anyone who's ever dreamed of owning a piece of Nvidia. Let's break down this stock split thing. Imagine you own one share of Nvidia stock and it's worth $1,000. That's a hefty chunk of change, right? Now imagine Nvidia decides to split its stock 10-for-1. Suddenly, instead of one share, you have 10. But here's the catch. Each share is now worth $100. See? The total value of your investment stays the same. You still have $1,000 worth of Nvidia stock. It's like taking that $1,000 bill and trading it for 10 $100 bills. The company is essentially slicing up its stock into smaller, more affordable pieces. This makes it easier for smaller investors to jump on board. No more needing deep pockets to own a piece of the action. Now, you might be wondering, does a stock split actually mean anything for the value of my investment? Here's the thing. Historically, companies that undergo stock splits tend to see their stock prices go up. It's not a guaranteed win, but it's a pretty good track record. Think about it. When a company makes its stock more accessible, more people can buy it. This increased demand can push the price up. It's like a popular sneaker release. The more people want it, the higher the price climbs. Of course, past performance isn't always an indicator of future results. But it's worth noting that stock splits are generally seen as a positive sign by the market. It shows that the company is confident in its future and wants to make its stock more accessible to a wider range of investors. Let's talk about Nvidia's recent performance. In a word, stellar. They're crushing it in the gaming world, and their data center business is booming. Demand for their chips is through the roof, and they're raking in the profits. But it's not just about the present. Nvidia is betting big on the future. They're pouring money into research and development, particularly in artificial intelligence. This is the kind of forward thinking that gets investors excited, and they're sharing the wealth. Nvidia has been steadily increasing its dividend payments to shareholders. That's right, they're putting cash directly into investors' pockets. It's a sign of a healthy company that's confident in its ability to generate profits. So, what does all this mean for the average investor? In short, it's an opportunity. Nvidia's stock split makes it easier than ever to own a piece of this tech giant. You don't need to be a Wall Street hotshot to get in on the action. With the stock price more accessible, it's a chance for everyday investors to participate in Nvidia's potential growth. Think of it like this. You're not just buying a stock, you're investing in the future. Nvidia is at the forefront of some of the most exciting technological advancements happening today. From artificial intelligence to self-driving cars, they're shaping the future. And now, you can be a part of it. Nvidia's stock split is a sign of the times. The stock market is evolving, and accessibility is becoming more important than ever. Companies are realizing that they need to appeal to a wider range of investors, not just the Wall Street elite. This move by Nvidia could set a precedent for other companies to follow. We might see more and more companies opting for stock splits to make their shares more accessible to the public. It's an exciting time to be an investor. With the barriers to entry lowering, the stock market is becoming more democratic, and that's something we can all get behind.